second graders, Miss Diorio here from Citizenship Academy with lesson 7 in module 2. We are flying through this. You're doing awesome. So before we get into the measurement, we're going to do a little bit of fluency practice that you're going to need something to write with and something to write on. So go grab those things if you don't have them right now. Pause the video, go grab them because we're going to be writing some number sentences. Okay. So our objective, though, for this lesson is to measure and compare lengths, which is what we've been doing, using standard metric units, which is the centimeter we've been talking about, and non-standard metric units. And non-standard length units, not metric units. So we're going to be using 2 different types of measuring today. But first, let's do our fluency practice. So I'm going to give you 2 lengths. What I need you to do is tell me which one is shorter. That's step 1. Step 2, you're going to take your paper and you're going to write me a subtraction number sentence to find the difference between the 2 lengths. So I'm going to give you 2 lengths, for example, 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Which one's shorter? 6 centimeters. Good. That's step 1. Then you're going to write a subtraction sentence to tell me how much shorter. So, for example, this one would be 10 centimeters minus 6 centimeters equals 4 centimeters. You're going to do that for each one. On your paper, you can just write the subtraction sentence. So on your paper, all I need to see is this. You don't need to tell me the shorter length, but I want you to identify the shorter length when we go over it and identify it in your head so it's easier to write the subtraction sentence. All right. So here are the 2 lengths for the first one. 12 centimeters and 22 centimeters. Pause the video, tell me which one's shorter, and then write a subtraction sentence to tell the difference. Unpause when you're ready. Ready? Okay, step 1, which one is shorter? 12 centimeters, good. And our subtraction sentence is 22 centimeters minus 12 centimeters equals 10 centimeters. Very good. Try the next one. 16 centimeters and 22 centimeters. Pause. I want which one's shorter and a number sentence. Go. Ready? 16 centimeters is shorter. Your number sentence is going to be 20 minus 16 equals 4. 20 centimeters minus 16 centimeters equals 4. Remember, use those 10 facts that you know to help you with the bigger numbers. All right, next one. 20 centimeters and 13 centimeters. Tell me which one's shorter, and then show me the difference in a number sentence. Unpause when you're ready. Ready? Which one is shorter? 13 centimeters. And then the difference, we start with the bigger number. 20 centimeters minus 13 centimeters equals 7 centimeters. Again, use what you know. You know that 10 minus 3 is 7, so we can easily figure out 20 minus 13 is also 7. Use what you know. All right, next one. 20 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Tell me which one's shorter, and then I want a number sentence telling me the difference. Pause. Ready? Which one is shorter? 9 centimeters. And the difference. We start with the bigger number. 20 centimeters minus 9 centimeters equals 11 centimeters. Awesome work. All right, here we go. 9 centimeters and 19 centimeters. Tell me which one's shorter, and then write the difference in a number sentence. Pause and work it out. Ready? Okay, so which one is shorter? 9 centimeters. We start with the bigger number in our number sentence. 19 centimeters minus 9 centimeters equals 10 centimeters. I like that one because our one stayed the same. Not bad. This one might be similar. Wink, wink. 24 and 14. Pause. Tell me which one's shorter, and then write the number sentence to tell me the difference. Ready? Which one is shorter? 14 centimeters. Our number sentence, we start with the bigger number. 24 centimeters minus 14 centimeters equals 10 centimeters, just like this one. Our one stayed the same. All right, let's get into our application problem for today. It says, Luigi has 9 more books than Mario. Luigi has 52 books. How many books does Mario have? First step, I want you to draw that tape diagram picture we worked on yesterday. So I'm going to write an L for, well, I'm going to actually start with Mario. I'm going to write an M for Mario and an L for Luigi. Now, Luigi has, I'm going to do that the way I had it before. L for Luigi, M for Mario. Luigi has 52 books. So I'm going to draw a big square for 52. Luigi has 9 more books than Mario. So Mario has less books than Luigi. So he has 9 more. So I'm going to do that little sign there. And then these will be Mario's books. Do we know how many books Mario has? Nope. So I'm going to put a question mark. Okay? So go ahead. Do you think we're going to add 52 and 9? Or do you think we're going to subtract 52 and 9? Talk to someone at home about what you think and why. Or you can talk to me. What do you think? If we add them, we find out the total number of books that Mario and Luigi have together. Is that what the question is asking? No, right? It's asking how many books does Mario have. All we know is how many books Luigi has and how many books Mario has. But we have to subtract to find the difference. So, you're going to set up your problem as so. Pause the video and solve. Remember, use those 10 facts to solve it. So pause, come back when you're ready. Ready? First step, what are we doing? Good, we're taking 10 minus 9, taking that easy 10 fact. They already broke it into a number bond for you, so all you had to do is take 10 minus 9 and we get 1. Second step, what do we do? Good, add 42 plus 1, and our answer is 43. Are we done? Can we just say, 43, done, walk away? Nope. We need to tell, when we do word problems, we need to tell what that 43 means. That 43 means Mario has 43 books. You could just say 43 books, that's totally fine, but we need to tell what that 43 means. All right. Today, as I said in the beginning, we're going to measure with something different. So rather than using our pinky as a centimeter or our rulers or our meter sticks or our rulers that we made, we're going to measure with a non-standard unit of measurement. You'll see what that means in a second. So how many small paper clips did it take to measure the crayon? 4. Very good. How many large paper clips did it take to measure the crayon? 2. Wait a second. We used paper clips. Why is it different? Talk to somebody at home. Why is the number of paper clips? Why is 1 4 and 1 2? It's the same crayon. We use paper clips. Why is 1 4 and 1 2? Yes, exactly. Because the paper clips are different sizes. We had small paper clips and we had large paper clips. Whenever we use something that's not a ruler or not a centimeter cube, we need to use the same of everything. So we can't mix and match. We can't use 1 marker, 1 centimeter cube, 1 ruler. It all has to be the same. We can't mix different size paper clips, all small paper clips, all large paper clips. And it's going to be different depending on the size of the item that you use. So let's measure this crayon with a ruler. About how many centimeters is this crayon? That was my dog, sorry. It's about 9 centimeters. Good. Now I'm going to use a different ruler. How many centimeters is this crayon? Same crayon, different ruler. How many centimeters is it? Still 9, right? So when we measured with paper clips, they were different. Why was it the same when we measured with a ruler? What do you think? Talk to somebody at home. Why was it the same when we measured with a ruler, but different when we measured with paper clips? We measured with 2 different rulers. We did a green ruler and a white ruler, but it was still 9 centimeters. Why was it the same? So, a ruler or a centimeter is a standard unit of measurement. It's not going to change. different from paper clips because paper clips come in all different shapes and sizes. Rulers and centimeters do not. So a ruler is a standard, say that, standard unit of measurement, whereas a paper clip or a marker is a non-standard unit of measurement. So which one do you think is more accurate? Which one do you think you'd get a better result with? The ruler, you're right, because every time you measure with a ruler, no matter the type of ruler, no matter if it's a different ruler, it's still going to be the same measurement. Awesome. Okay, so I'm excited for our exit ticket today. What you're going to need is a ruler. You can use a ruler like this if you have one at home. Don't go out and buy one. Or, remember a couple lessons ago we made this ruler? You can use either one. You need a ruler of some kind, and you either need paper clips, or if you don't have paper clips, that's okay. You just need a lot of something else. So I don't have paper clips at my house, so I'm going to use these little fasteners because I have a whole box of them. You could use Cheerios. You could use hair clips. As long as they're all the same size, it doesn't matter to me what you use. Okay, so go find a ruler and a non-standard unit of measurement. Again, paper clips would be preferable, but if you don't have paper clips, you need to find something where you have a bunch of something that's the same size. Hair clips would work. Non-sharpened pencils would work. Cereal would work. Okay, I'm using fasteners. Now, for your exit ticket today, you're going to see the directions say, use a ruler to draw one line that is 9 centimeters long, move, and one line that is 12 centimeters long. So there are mine. Next step, you're going to label one line, line F, one line, line G. Then you're going to take your non-standard unit of measurement, whether it's paper clips or something else, and you are going to measure with it. If you use paper clips, you don't have to answer this one right here. See where it says I use blank instead of paper clips? If you use paper clips, don't answer that one. If you're using something else, like I'm using fasteners, I'm going to type in fasteners. Okay, just so we know. Then you're going to measure. So you're going to measure your first line using your non-standard unit of measurement. And you're going to measure the same way you've been measuring, endpoint to endpoint. Make sure they're all the same size or you're not going to be accurate. Okay, and then you're going to type in whatever your answer is for that one. Same thing with line G. And then it's going to ask you some word problems to figure out the difference between the line lengths. We've been doing that. We did that in our warm-up today. How much centimeters longer, how many paper clips longer, and how many are they all together. The centimeters are going to be accurate because we measured with 9 and 12. So your centimeters, the answer to number 3 and the answer to number 6 are going to be an exact number. The answers to numbers 1, 2, 4, and 5 are going to be different depending on what you used. If you use paper clips, whether you use big or small paper clips, if you use fasteners, if you use hair clips, whatever you use, all of our answers are going to be different, but that's okay. I just want you to practice measuring with a non-standard unit of measurement. Okay? All right. Make sure your lines are 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters long. That's why you need the ruler. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun measuring, and I can't wait to see your results.